Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can spend money at Xero, which is very nice accounting software based from New Zealand, Wellington, and it's made for small, medium businesses and also the freelancers. It's actually very easy. First of all, you have to have your account or bank account connected to Xero. At the moment, I have this fake one because I don't really trust the internet to not steal my information. So I created just this one, and then we have to go on the top right corner where this plus button is, and there's a spend money option. Once we click on spend money, we click the name of the account that we want to spend money from. We hit the next button. And here we can, for example, send or spend money for car company, reference 006. So if you are paying for something like for some kind of invoice, you just send them like for rocket parts. It's 5 pieces quantity. When you hit the tab button, obviously it's all of a sudden 25k. Then account, you can go like expenses for example, motor vehicles expenses. You can go with the tax and also many more, but this account I really like to have blank. Just like that. Then you can just add another thing. For example, let's go with new item, and let's go with car windows. Oh, okay, like this. Unit price, it's 500. Save, and we just go like this and add more and more, or as an expenses to customer. When we have that, we can just save it. At this point, you see there's a couple of errors. Account must be valid, and tax rate must be valid. So tax rate, we can just go with 0%. If we want to save it again, also the account has to be valid, because we are automatically requiring money, and we are sending our account and we are sending our information straight to the car company. So they have to know what they are paying for. So, or on which account they are paying for. Thank you guys for watching. If you have other questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.